morning, kindergarten and first graders. I'm so happy for you to join me. Today, we are going to talk about feeling nervous. We are going to talk about what we can do when we feel nervous. I'm going to share a story with you about a little bunny that feels nervous, and his body does certain things when he feels nervous, and he learns how to cope and feel better. Hope you enjoy. It's called When I'm Feeling Nervous by Trace Moroney.
By Trace Moroney. Read by Books for Kids by Flying Dragon. When I'm feeling nervous, I feel like my tummy is churning around and around, and I'm going to be sick. When I'm feeling nervous, my body feels shaky and jittery and uncomfortable. My heart beats really fast, and my breathing is fast and shallow. I get really hot, then really cold, and then sometimes I start to sweat.
So guys, when your body is feeling nervous, you might have some of those same things going on. Your heart might race fast. Your body might feel jittery or shaky. Your stomach might hurt. It's important you let someone know when you're feeling that way.
When I'm feeling nervous, I want to run and hide behind Mum. I cling onto her legs, and I want her to stop the things that make me nervous and make the worry go away. Everyone feels nervous sometimes, even grown-ups. Some things that make me feel really nervous and worried are having to do or say something in front of others, or going to a sleepover, even at my best friend's house, or trying new things, like swimming lessons. I don't want to. Nervous means feeling really, really, really worried about something. Sometimes I worry that something bad will happen, or that I won't do a good job of something, or I won't be able to cope by myself when I'm trying something new, or that I'm just not good.
And so you might be feeling nervous about lots of different things. The bunny felt nervous when he had to meet new friends or spend the night at a friend's house, or when he tried something new like swimming. But right now, we might feel nervous about being home and away from school for the past 6 weeks and a little bit longer. It's okay to feel nervous for any reason, but you have to make sure you talk to mom or dad or the grown-up that you live with and tell them how you feel.
And then next time, I might even wonder why I felt so nervous at all.
I hope you enjoyed that book. One thing that was my favorite part was when the bunny started to feel nervous, he used breathing to help him feel better. He breathed in 1, 2, 3, 4, and breathed out 4, 3, 2, 1. He talked with someone. He talked with his mom, and she made him feel better. But he also started to think about, I'm okay. He made himself feel better. So what I want you guys to do this week, if you start to feel nervous, one, notice about it. Notice where you're feeling it in your body. Is your heart racing? Is your stomach hurting? And then I want you to do what the bunny did. Take a deep breath. Talk to someone and let them know how you feel. And think to yourself, I'm okay. Well, boys and girls, I hope you enjoyed the story and learning with me. I will see you guys next time, and we'll learn some different strategies. Have a great day.